All right, let's go over the answers to number 11. These are directed graphs, digraphs. Okay, so you have to consider which way the arrows are going at each point. Okay, so at each point you have to analyze the in and the out. So at this point right here, there's one arrow in and one arrow out. That's good. Same thing here, one in, one out. You want them to match. Here, there's one in, one out. All right, same deal here, one in, one out. Okay, same deal here, one in, one out. Now we just have this one left, right? There's 3 in, 1, 2, 3 heading in, and 3 out. There, there, and there. If every point matches 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 3 and 3, then it is a circuit. A circuit means that you could start at any point you want in the whole map. You could navigate your way through the entire map, and you'll get back to your original starting point without tracing over the same line twice. All right. This one, you're going to have, at this point, you're going to have 2 in and 1 out. Right? And at this point here, you're going to have 2 out and 1 in. That's okay. So it's not going to be a circuit. Circuit, they all have to match. But this could still be a path. This one looks like it's going to be a path. Yep, 1. So everywhere matches except those top 2 points. Whenever they're off by 1, so like if it has 1 in and 2 outs or 2 ins and 1 out, then it's a path. And the rule is, you have to in order to complete this graph, in order to navigate through the entire thing, you have to start at the extra out. So this point right here should be our starting point. And you have to end at the extra in. So this point will be our end. So we can navigate. If we start here, then we could go down, over, across, through, over, and back up, and look where we end. We end there. Okay, again, you could travel through a point more than once, but you cannot travel through a road more than once. This one looks like it's probably going to be a circuit, if I think everything matches. Yeah, this one's going to have 2 out and 2 in. This one's going to have 2 out and 2 in, 1 out and 1 in. Yeah, everywhere's going to match, 1 out, 1 in. Yep. Everywhere matches. This one is going to be neither. If you analyze all the points, you will find that this point right here, as well as this point right here, this one has 2 ins and no outs. This one has 2 outs and no ins. So right there it fails, because if you have no ways into a point, that means you can't ever get to it, which means that you're not going to be able to complete the whole map. Right? And if you have two ins and no outs, like in this point right here, there's 2 ins and no outs, that means you're going to get stuck there. You're not going to be able to navigate your way out of it. Like you're going to navigate into it, right? You're going to navigate into it, but then you'll get stuck there because there's no outs. So that means you won't be able to finish the rest of the map. So this is neither.